viewers, welcome back to my channel Astro Debanwita, and today I came back with a new tarot tutorial video on a new tarot card of the Rider-Waite deck of the Major Arcana, and this card is the 18th number card and the 19th card of the Major Arcana deck, which is also the card Moon. So before starting with this video, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below. Thank you. So the Moon card is the 18th number card and the 19th card of the Major Arcana deck. The Moon card generally depicts a full moon between two skyscrapers in the night sky. It represents the subconscious, intuition and inner visions of a person. Now, while studying the card Moon, I would also like to tell you that if somehow this card comes out for remedial purpose of any person, then the remedy related to the planet Mars should be suggested in the south direction of the house or any region. So let's understand the symbolism of this card. Now, if we look at this card, we could see that there is a picture of moon above. This is the central figure of the card, isn't simply the moon. It is the full moon, the crescent moon, the sun all overlapping each other. This can signify the unity between the day and the night. The moon in this card is a paradoxical figure as well. Now we can see that there is a dog and a wolf who are somehow fighting with each other in the down region. So this could represent that the tamed and wild passions of our consciousness. While their natures are opposite to one another, they are unified by the draw of moon. We can also see a crawfish which is coming out of a small pond, or we can also say that it is a lobster. This also means most primitive instincts lower than the wild passions of the wolf. The crawfish is our reptilian brain. We can also see that there are gold drops between in the moon and the earth, and they are 15 in number. So this could indicate that holiness which connects the heaven with the earth. We can also see two towers, two sides of the entire card. They represent the gates of heaven. In the instance, however, the gates are open. That indicates that enlightenment is open to all. We could also see in the card that there is a long path. A winding path travels out of the pond, past the towers and towards the summit of mountains which are seen behind. So it could indicate that the journey is not yet done, but the finish line is in the sight. So the basic keywords of this of this card Moon are deception, difficult timing, fear, hidden things, insecurity and mental confusion. So if this card somehow comes upright reading of any person regarding love matters, it could mean that there can be a complicated romance, there could be uncertainty about love relationship. If this card somehow comes related to career reading, it could also mean that uncertainty around career path, there could be confusion at job, and there could also be lack of information. If this card comes regarding finances, it could also mean that the financial decisions which you are taking may be unclear or lacking financial knowledge. Moreover, if this card comes for health related reading, then it could also mean that there could be troubles with mental depression or anxiety in general when this moon card comes out in a reading. Moreover, it could indicate that you may have some kind of mood fluctuations at time as well. So it also advises seeking medical advice if you suspect any kind of health problems. If this card comes in reversed form, then it could mean that there could be deception and danger of lesser degree. Secondly, it could mean some kind of instability, unimportant errors and silence. Thirdly, it could mean that there could be some kind of hidden forces operating around you. Lastly, this could mean that it's the time to watch each steps very carefully if this card somehow comes in tarot in a reversed manner. So I came to an end with the video of the card Moon, which is also the 18 number card of the Major Arcana Tarot deck. I will again come with a new tarot tutorial video very soon. Thank you. Namaste.